Hello everyone, this is Sharon. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Sharon Things. In the last episode, we had a quick look at the Adobe Premiere Pro software, right? And this is episode 4 in the series of Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial series. And in this episode, we are going to have a look at this tools panel. I'll explain each and every tool in the Adobe Premiere Pro that can be useful while we are doing an edit. So, without any delay, let's start this video. First, I opened a new project on this Adobe Premiere Pro software, and I just imported this to the timeline. I imported this video to the timeline. So on the here we have tools panel. I'll explain. First, I will tell the names of these tools, and next I will uh, use them and show you how you can use it. So first we have selection tool, and the shortcut of this selection tool is V. And next we have ripple edit. No, no, sorry, track selection tool forward and backward. And the um, shortcut is A, alphabet A. And the for the track selection tool for backward, we have shift plus A. And next we have ripple edit, rolling edit, ready to stretch edit. And the shortcuts are B, N, and R. And next we have razor tool. And the shortcut for this razor tool is C. C means cut. So you can make cuts on this video. And next we have slip tool. Slip tool and slide tool. For the slip tool, it's the shortcut is Y, and for slide tool, it is like a U. And next we have pen tool. Pen tool for P, and rectangle and ellipse tool. And next we have hand tool, zoom tool. Next we have text and tool, text tool, vertical and horizontal. So now I'll explain each and every tool in the Adobe Premiere Pro software. So let me start with this selection tool. Selection tool is a like a cursor on your workspace. So it is there's nothing to say about this. So the selection tool user to select this clip and selections and all. So next we have track selection tools. Uh, First let me use this track selection tool forward. So track selection tool forward is used to uh, drag this videos forward and backward, as you can see right here. And backward is also like in the lies on this forward as well. So it's just a sub tool. And next we have this ripple edit. Now I will show you how you can use ripple edit. So here a clip is selected, and now let me show you the preview of this video. Yeah, that is the preview of this video, right? Now I will uh, show the how the ripple edit will helps. Yeah, so I hope you got it. So ripple edit is used to trim the video at the starting or the end, either ending. So let me. So when I do it backwards, the uh, last video, the last part of this video gets cut off. So trimmed. So that's how this ripple edit works. And rolling edit is also same, but it's for multiple clips. So okay, multiple tracks. Okay, let's say um, you have track selection. Video track one, video track two, and then you can use this rolling edit. Rolling effect. Sorry, rolling tool. Sorry. Next we have rate to stretch tool, and this is the best tool that can be useful on the Adobe Premiere Pro software, because if you have a audio clip of 1 minute and you have only 40 seconds, so 40 seconds of video, so you need to fill the gap of for 20 seconds, right? So you can do it by using this. You can stretch this video out, and let me show you how the output will look like. Yeah, the video gets slower and slower, right? And that's how this rate to stretch edit I mean tool useful. And now I'll show you invert as well. I will stretch it down, and we'll see how the output. Yeah, yeah, the video has became very faster, right? So that's how this rate to stretch edit works. And next we have tools panel. Sorry, and next we have razor tool. uh, Razor tool used to is where you use it to cut a video into two clips. So here you can see the video has cut down into two equal parts or two parts. And now I'll use the track selection tool again. So you can make a gap between two clips, and here you can add any kind of things like effects, sound effects and all. So that's how this works. And next we have this slide tool. And slip tool is nothing but if you want only this video to play, but you don't want the second video to play on, so you can just simply select this. Sorry, wait until no, there's some minor issue with it. And now let me skip this and we'll move on to the next tool. Next we have pen tool. um, In the pen tool, we have rectangle tool and ellipse tool. First, let me show you how this ellipse tool works. And ellipse tool use it to work. Use it to make this kind of circles or any kind of shapes that you are looking for. And I'll be using this more. And next we have rectangle tool. Rectangle tool is used to make rectangles on a video of your frame. And this is how this works. And next we have pen tool. Okay, let's say if you want to make this face as blur, only face, you can select this like this. um, and you can apply an edit to this as blur, so you don't see the face. I mean, you will see the face, but it only face will be blurred. And this is how the blur and all works. And this is pen tool and ellipse tool. And next we have hand tool. Hand tool is used to adjust your timeline like this. Next we have the sub tool in the hand tool is zoom tool. Yeah, zoom tool is used to extend the timeline. Yeah, the duration of the video will be same, but uh, the detailings, I mean, the timeline becomes huge. So this you can do the edits even better. Next we have text tool. And inside this text tool, you can add text like this. Yeah, like this. Yeah, that's how this yeah, text tool is used to add text on the video that you are editing in. I hope you got the tools. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon on. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.